Good evening. This is Dr. Zain Agha from forexmentoringprogram.com. Tonight we have a news that we're going to trade, and it is the Australian news. It's called the Australian CPI. Here it is. CPI is a quarterly, and the previous figure was 0.4%, and what's expected is 0.5%. So we will see if you have, now this news is coming tonight at 2:30 a.m. London time. That will be the 25th of July. I will be in bed, so I will just put my robot to trade, but you guys don't have the robot, so you better make sure you place your orders after the figures come out. If the figures come out as 0.7%, then you buy the Australian dollar, US dollar, and any other Australian pairs you can buy them as well, such as the Australian dollar and the Japanese yen. If the figure comes out as, say, 0.3%, so in that case you need to sell Australian dollar against the US dollar and Australian dollar against the Japanese yen. Now, those of you who do not have the robot or who wish to trade through robot, so I'm going to show you one robot that I have especially to trade the news. Okay, I have opened a $10,000 demo account with AAA FX. Now this is a demo account just to show you how I will be trading my robot, how I will be trading through the robot. Now this is the robot, is called the ZWINNER News Trading Robot. Here it is, ZWINNER News Trading Robot. So if I'm going to apply it, what I will have is the ZWINNER News Trader version 2.2. So go to Commons, enable, allow live trading and allow DLL imports. Then go to the inputs. In the inputs, it's asking me, do you want to trade alongside in the direction of the trend or not? So I will put it no, false, because when the news comes out, the market can go anyway, up or down according to the news. So the next thing I will do, I will put in the date. First I will put in 2018, and then the month 07, and the date is going to be 25. At the moment it's 24, but it's going to be 25. Now the time the news is coming out is 2:30, right? But we look at the server time of the broker, which is showing 22:14, but my time is 23:14 at the moment. That means the server is 1 hour behind. So I'm going to make it, instead of 2:30, I'll make it 1:30. Okay. Now what I'll do, because I don't know what the figure is going to come out, you will know what the figure is going to come out, so you know what to do, either to buy or to sell, but I don't know. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a pending order about half a minute before the news comes out. So 1:29 and then 30 seconds before the news comes out. Okay, now what's the lot size? I'm going to have a lot size 0.1 That's a mini lot. Take profit. Now this robot it will take 2 trades. The first trade, it will take profit of 10 pips, and the second one, it will look for a profit of 100 pips. And then you need to have a stop loss. So what sort of stop loss you want to have? By default, the stop loss is 50 pips. So if you wish, you can reduce it to say 30 pips, 300, or just leave it as it is. But I will just put it to 30 pips, and number of pips for stop orders above or below. Okay, the robot is going to put 10 pips above the market and 10 pips below the market. 10 pips above the market to buy and 10 pips below the market to sell. And maximum spread for trading. Sometimes the brokers increase the spreads too high, so that's not profitable. So what am I going to do? If by default it is set at 10 pips maximum, but I'm going to make it to 60 pips. If the broker increases the spread more than 6, so then my robot will not put in the trade. Okay, if it's less than 6, it will put in the trade. Okay, exit at break even. Yes, exit the first one, we exit at break even, and the second one we exit, and then for the second one we will be using the trailing stop. So the trailing stop is true, and start trailing stop start at 20 pips, and then step will say 2 pips. Every 2 pips the trailing stop will. Okay, now if the pending orders are not filled in, then after 15 minutes they have to be removed. So they will get removed in 15 minutes time. So these are the magic number. Don't touch them, don't do anything, and then you click OK. Okay, here we have our robot, and the time frame we have 5 minutes. If you wish, you can make it 1 minute, so you can watch it. 5 minutes is, I can see it clearly now. So after doing that, what I'll do, I'll go to my template, save template, and I will write down, it's called news trading underscore AUD. So it is trading the Australian news, and save. Okay, now the benefit of the robot is that it can place in 7 pairs. So let's put in some other pairs as well. So we go to new chart, and we go to the Forex, and we go to Australian dollar USD. We have it here, Euro AUD. Okay, and the next one, new chart, is AUD NZD, and the next one, new chart, Forex AUD CAD, and the next chart in Forex AUD CHF, and the next one, new chart, AUD JPY, and the next one, new chart, there it is, GBP AUD here. Okay, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all 7 pairs. So what we'll do, change the time frame to 5 minutes and apply the template. And template is news trading AUD. Okay, and then the other one, change time frame 5 minutes, template AUD NZD, and then we have another one, go to 5 minutes and right click, template, news trading, news trading again, and then we have another AUD NZD. Change the time frame, right click, template, AUD NZD, Euro AUD with 5 minutes, right click, template, New Zealand, right click, that is now okay, and here it is. Okay, so sorry, all 7 pairs, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So these 7 pairs, and if you will see here, waiting next trade at on that date, which is the 25th of July 2018 at 29 minutes past 1, 30 seconds, 29 minutes and 30 seconds past 1. That means about half an hour, half a minute just before the news, it will place pending orders. This is the market price, so it will put 10 pips above the market price to buy. For example, here, sorry, 10 pips is about here. Okay, so it will place pending orders here about 10 pips, and let's change the color to yellow. Okay, and going to put another 10 pips to sell, right? So half a minute before the news, it will place these 2 orders. Now, whichever way the market goes, the news comes out, the market will go either up or it will go down. So our order will be triggered, and depending on the deviation of the outcome, deviation of the expected, if the deviation is very high, then the movement will be very high. If it's low, then the movement will be low. In some cases, the market can come down and then go back up again, and then you go up again and get you, can get you stopped out, or it can get you first take profit of 10 pips, and then it will continue with the trailing stop behind after 20 pips. So we will see tomorrow morning how it goes. Okay, so just remember, you are trading manually, you don't have the robot, and I have the robot. I'm trading in a different manner, so we will see how the robot goes. Remember, this is the $10,000 account. Even if it goes against us, no problem. There are other news which will recover the losses. Okay, after having done that, go to Windows and click on Tile Windows. You will have all the 7 pairs here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Next thing to do is go to File, and then go to Profiles and Save As. Now give it a name, News Trading AUD. This is going to be your profile. Okay, so next time whenever you click on News Trading AUD, all the AUD pairs will turn up. Okay, so and this is how you save it. So the next news will be on Friday. So until then, take care and do subscribe to my channel, and wish you all the best. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.